Hey guys, welcome to English Express channel. In this video, we made for you health and fitness vocabulary words to keep you in shape. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Exercise. Exercise. I do exercise every day. I do exercise every day. Run, run. She runs in the park. She runs in the park. Walk, walk. I walk to a school. I walk to a school. Jump, jump. She can jump high. She can jump high. Stretch, stretch. Stretch before you exercise. Stretch before you exercise. Lift, lift. I lift weights at the gym. I lift weights at the gym. Swim, swim. They swim in the pool. They swim in the pool. Healthy, healthy. Eat healthy food. Eat healthy food. Fit, fit. I want to stay fit. I want to stay fit. Yoga, yoga. Yoga helps me relax. Yoga helps me relax. Strength, strength. Lifting builds strength. Lifting builds strength. Rest, rest. I rest after exercise. I rest after exercise. Sweat, sweat. I sweat a lot when I run. I sweat a lot when I run. Muscle, muscle. Exercise builds muscle. Exercise builds muscle. Jump rope, jump rope. Jumping rope is a fun workout. Jumping rope is a fun workout. Weight training, weight training. I do weight training to build a strength. I do weight training to build a strength. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.